Hey everyone, it's Shalini. Welcome back. I really hope you all are doing well. Now I'm shooting this video मेरे भाई के कमरे में. मेरे कमरे में कुछ रेनोवेशन का काम चल रहा है, so बहुत ज़्यादा हालत ख़राब है मेरे कमरे की. Anyway, today's video is gonna be 10 beauty tools must have, and these are also grooming tips for women. और ये सारे वो tools हैं और tips हैं जो कि मैं day to day life में follow करती हूँ, and it just makes my life so much easier. So I hope you will find today's video also informative and helpful. Now I have done two such similar kind of videos in the past. First was 10 shower tips every age group should follow, and also 10 skincare tips. So if you guys are interested on those videos, the links are in the description box below. You can check them out. Now without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Let's go. Number one beauty tool that you should own is a organic loofah to scrub and exfoliate your body. This is an amazing tool guys, और ये सिर्फ 120 या 150 bucks में आ जाता है. ये सा रफ सा दिख रहा होगा क्योंकि अभी dry state में है, and you need to use this in the wet state. So first I will wet my entire body using lukewarm water, and then I will wet my organic loofah again with lukewarm water, and then take paraben-free shower gel, lather this organic loofah, and then start scrubbing my body in circular motion. You need to go in the circular motion, and I will mostly focus on the area which are the driest. जैसे कि मेरे नीज, मेरे एल्बोज, ये जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई से रहते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा डेड स्किन सेल्स अक्यूमुलेट कर लेते हैं. नाउ स्क्रबिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर बॉडी. यू शुड scrub your body every alternate days. क्यों? Because they help in removing the dead skin cells. Exfoliate करने से blood circulation level भी increase होता है, and that provides you healthy and glowing looking skin. Also, if you're someone who likes to use razor on a day-to-day life to get rid of the unwanted hair, then razor use करने से पहले अपनी body को scrub करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. That is gonna help with the ingrown hair, और आपकी जो strawberry leg की problem होती है ना, वो भी solve करने में help करता है. In fact, अगर आप waxing भी prefer करते हो ना, highly recommend you to scrub your body. Now इसके अलावा भी I have like different kind of scrubs that I use, like DIY home remedy वाले scrubs, या फिर वो जो मार्केट में scrubbing products available है वो भी यूज़ करती हूँ. But this is so inexpensive, and this organic loofah is gonna last you for 3 to 4 months, and then you need to like switch it and throw it away. And this is biodegradable, completely biodegradable. So our feet is the most exposed body part of our entire body. ठीक है, धूल, मिट्टी, प्रदूषण, सन, पता नहीं क्या क्या तो वो झेल लेता है. And let me tell you one thing, I'm very conscious about my feet, okay, कि वो ड्राई से तो नहीं है या फिर मैंने मैनिक्योर अच्छे से किया है कि नहीं. So I like to take extra care of my feet, and this pedicure tool is amazing. इसमें 4 साइड आता है, and I mostly like to use this brush side and this steel side to scrub and exfoliate my feet. Okay, और आपका feet का जो skin है वो भी थोड़ा different रहता है as compared to the rest of your body, so you need to use the right kind of tool. Okay, what I like to do is wet my feet again, and then I will use my paraben free वाला body wash, and then I will lather that body wash using my fingers, and then I will use the brush side and start scrubbing my body with the help of the brush side. And later I will use this steel side जो कि थोड़ा सा रफ सा दिख रहा है आपको, टू स्क्रब माई एरिया, क्योंकि एरिया वो ऐसी चीज़ है अगर आप उसको अच्छे से स्क्रब नहीं करोगे, डेड स्किन सेल्स रिमूव नहीं करोगे, व्हाट इट विल डू, इट इज़ गोना क्रैक योर हील्स, और वहाँ पे कभी कभार ब्लीडिंग भी हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप उसे क्लीन रखो, सुंदर रखो, एंड यूजिंग अ राइट काइंड ऑफ टूल रियली हेल्प्स, यू नो. So next time I have a grooming tip for you all. हम लोग हमारी पूरी body को hydrate रखते हैं, moisturize रखते हैं using a body lotion, right? But there are certain part of our body which needs extra care and hydration. That is your knees, elbows and legs. So नहाने के तुरंत बाद when your skin is damp, apply good amount of body lotion on that area. And there are certain brands that makes a really good, amazing quality body lotion. One of those brand is Mamaearth. So this is vitamin C body lotion with vitamin C and honey for radiant skin. This is mineral oil and silicone free, dermatologically tested. This is for all skin type. So Mamaearth is a PETA certified and cruelty free brand, and this is a plastic positive brand that is a recycle more plastic than they produce. So I always listen to my body, what it needs, what it is craving, and currently my body was in need of a good hydration, especially for the area that is the driest, that is my knees, elbows and my feet. So I will take few pump of this and start massaging it on my driest area, and then rest of my body. So every skin type is different, and according to the weather situation and the condition you're living, you need to select the right kind of the body lotion. This one is non-greasy and this has a very lightweight formula, but this provides a lot of hydration, and that is what I need. And it also smells good. एंड ममाअर्थ ने 3 और वेरिएंट्स ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंसेस रिलीज किए उनके बॉडी लोशन के. दैट इज ममाअर्थ कोको बॉडी लोशन विद कॉफी कोको बटर फॉर इंटेंस मॉइस्चराइजेशन. दिस इज रोज बॉडी लोशन विद रोज वाटर एंड मिल्क फॉर डीप हाइड्रेशन. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ममाअर्थ उपटन बॉडी लोशन विद टर्मरिक एंड कोको बटर फॉर ग्लोइंग स्किन. सो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोना यूज ग्लोइंग स्किन विंटर सीजन में. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू like try and use this, but the one that I used in today's video is for radiant skin, and I've decided to give away this rose body lotion and cocoa body lotion to one of you lucky winner. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, let me know in the comment section below what is it that your skin craves the most. Okay, मुझे comment करके बताओ, and you have to be a subscriber of my channel. And as usual, all of Mamaearth products are available mamaearth.in, Nykaa and Amazon में. And if you're planning to buy any of Mamaearth product at mamaearth.in, I have a coupon code Shalini2020. You can use my coupon code and you will get 20% off on your purchase. So deodorants are very different from antiperspirants. Deodorant क्या होता है, वो बैक्टीरिया को किल करता है, and that's how it controls the odor. So अगर odor आपका प्रॉब्लम है, then go for deodorant. But अगर आपका प्रॉब्लम sweat है, कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा sweating होती है day to day life में, and I get embarrassed very easily because of sweat, guys. So I try to avoid grey color के कपड़े, क्योंकि उसमें sweat patch दिख जाता है अंडर आर्म्स में, और वो बहुत ही गंदा लगता है. Anyway, coming back to this product. So ये sweat glands को block कर देता है. Now when to use this is very important. I like to use this 2 times. Okay, रात को सोने से पहले I will just take my roll-on and apply that under my arms, and then this is gonna do its job. Secondly, after taking shower, I like to use this under my arms. So this is by the brand Marks and Spencer Peach and Almond Antiperspirant with natural peach almond extracts. I will try to find an online link for this, but this is available Marks and Spencer में, वहाँ जाके आप खरीद सकते हो इसको. And this doesn't leave that white पैच मार्क्स अंडर योर आर्म्स, जो कि कुछ डिओड्रेंट छोड़ देते हैं ना, वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. जब आपका स्वेट सूख जाता है तो आपको एक वाइट सा पैच दिखता है अंडर योर आर्म्स. नॉट गुड, नॉट क्यूट. Most of you are not comfortable shaving and shaping your eyebrows at home. ठीक है, I understand, because they are like very prominent feature for your face and you don't want to mess it up. But let's just face it, ठीक है, most of the time you don't really need to shape your eyebrows. You just need to remove the extras that you have on your eyebrows. बार बार पार्लर क्यों जाना, you know, 4 eyebrow hair को निकालने के लिए. So you can invest on eyebrow razors. These are by Let's Shave and they work beautifully. Be very conscious when you're using an eyebrow razor, and थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हल्के हल्के हाथों से you can remove the extra hair on your eyebrows. Very useful backup to have when you're in a go and a hurry and आप पार्लर नहीं जा सकते, salon नहीं जा सकते to get your upper lips or eyebrows done. And this is a very good quality one. This won't give you any cut because इसमें zigzag pattern है. So highly recommend these eyebrow razors to you all. To maintain the overall health of your hair, it is very important to use right kind of brush and comb for your hair. और अभी तो मार्केट में जब आप ब्रश खरीदने या कोम खरीदने जाते हो, you will find like 20 different options to select from. It sometimes gets very confusing, and it happens with me too. So according to your hair type, select the right kind of brush. So I have like naturally wavy hair, and my scalp is extremely oily in nature, and rest of my hair is not that frizzy, but they sometimes get frizzy in nature. So detangle and defrizz are two different terms, and they both are interrelated. And I like to detangle my hair first using a wide tooth comb, and I will detangle the length of my hair only, and then using my brush I will comb through my hair from the roots till the length of my hair. ऐसा करने से I will end up having less hair fall and all of my hair will be detangled. ये मेथड फॉलो करने से ना आपके हेयर लेस फ्रिजी भी रहते हैं. उसके बाद I like to go with some sort of hair serum or hair oil, like 2 drops of it, and apply that on the length of my hair only, and that just adds a lot of shine to my hair, and my hair looks manageable, feels manageable. So if your nail paint is chipping, do one thing, remove it completely and you will end up looking more put together and polished. Now sometimes what happen कि nail paint निकालने के बाद उसका yellow stain रह जाता है अगर nail paint की quality अच्छी नहीं है, या फिर बहुत time से हमने nail paint लगा के रखा है. And oh my god, that yellow stain also doesn't look good at all. So how to remove it? Use a nail filer, a good quality one. This is by Roots, and don't be afraid to use it. हमारे nails क्या हैं, dead skinny तो है. With this nail filer, we are just filing the yellow stain on our nails. Okay, that's it. And this is not at all time consuming. This is hardly gonna take 10 minutes, और filing करने के बाद जो result मिलता है, that is so satisfying. So watch Netflix and do this job, or talk to your friend over phone and do this job, and you can see the difference on screen. There is a huge difference. So I mentioned this hack when I did my shower tips wala video, but I'm mentioning it again because we are doing grooming tips right now. So use the back of the towel, the rough side, to scrub your lips. But ये hack तभी काम करेगा जब आपका lips moist होगा. So shower लेने के बाद use this hack, and this is gonna help in removing all the dead skin cells from your lips. And guess what? You can do this hack every single day. हर दिन तो dead skin निकलता ही lips से. So if you're someone who like to use razor to get rid of the unwanted body hair for your legs, hands and underarms, then do not use soap, वो जो regular soap होता है ना, as a lubricant agent, because that is gonna cause lot of dryness और आपको clean shave भी नहीं देगा. ठीक है, फिर आपका पूरा shaving routine बिगड़ जाएगा and you won't be satisfied. Instead of that, invest on a good shaving gel or shaving foam. I was in hunt of one for so long and finally I found one. So this is Let's Shave foam with coconut and menthol. Lubricates and protects skin, softens hair for smooth shave for face and body. This is rust proof can, and guess what? This is paraben sulfate, artificial color and silicone free product. Now guys, this comes in this pump applicator. This much is enough for one hand. This is gonna soften the hair of yours, and then when you will use your razor, you will have like clean shave, and this will leave your skin soft looking, will not dry out your skin. I used to be a girl who used to exfoliate my T-zone area using physical exfoliators. But chemical exfoliator एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि आपकी स्किन की डीप लेयर में जाके एक्चुअली वाइट हेड्स और ब्लैक हेड्स को टारगेट करते हैं. So AHA and BHAs are an amazing chemical exfoliators. So if you're starting with chemical exfoliator, what you can do is start with the AHA BHA foaming face wash. The one that I'm using currently is by the brand Derma Co. I like to use this every alternate days, day and night, both for my T-zone and also on my chin, and this just beautifully exfoliates my skin. This is very mild foaming face wash, okay? And then when you're comfortable enough to use chemical exfoliator for your skin, then you can switch to AHA BHA gel again by the brand Derma Co. इसके अलावा मैंने कोई different brand try नहीं किया. अगर try किए होते तो मैं recommend करती, but I'm into like new brands. So let me know in the comment section below अगर आपने कोई AHA BHA gel या exfoliator try किया है. I will invest my money on that. So that was the last tool slash hack for you all. I really hope you found today's video informative and helpful. I had so much fun creating this content for you all. हो सकता है फ्यूचर में इसका पार्ट 2 भी बने. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कर देना, नहीं आया तो डिसलाइक कर देना. गिव अवे में पार्टिसिपेट करना मत भूलना, कमेंट्स करना मत भूलना, और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है देन टेक अ मोमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब. इट्स फ्री गाइस, डू दैट, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विद ब्रांड न्यू content for this channel. Bye bye you all. Take good care of yourself, your skin, body and hair. Bye.